Let's bring in former FBI special agent and Fox News contributor Nicole Parker, along with criminal defense attorney and federal litigator Vic Bajaj. Thank you both for coming. I wonder, Vic Bajaj, because you look at this and he was planning to attack 21 churches. I'm not sure he would have gotten that far. I mean, he didn't, the whole concept here is they probably would have grabbed him. But pledging loyalty to ISIS, I'm wondering legally, does that change the jeopardy he could face legally?
Absolutely, Trace. Without the allegiance to a terrorist organization, you don't have a crime. You have a thought of committing a crime. But the element that's required for the statute that Nicole just pointed out is that it has to be in furtherance of what we used to call in the 80s and 90s criminal street gangs. Well, the federal equivalent on the terrorism side is I pledge allegiance, therefore any action I take is to further the reputation of the international terrorism organization. So yes, it absolutely plays a role.
Interesting. Moving on now to the parents of the school shooter Ethan Crumbley. Each parent got 10 to 15 years. But quickly here, Vic, because the whole concept is this is a slippery slope. You can say, okay, they had a baseball bat. Parents had a baseball bat in the back closet. Kid took a baseball bat and killed somebody. You should have known that was a lethal thing in this kid's hands.
Yeah, absolutely. You've distilled the exact important point, which is causation. Now, some states have statutes that say, you know what, if you negligently store a firearm and someone gets access to it and commits a crime, there are serious penalties. But in this state, that crime does not exist. And the danger going along your lines of a slippery slope are, well, if we don't monitor everything our kids do, are we on the hook for something that we can't predict?
It's a very good question. Vic Bajaj, Nicole Parker, thank you both.